Hi there, I'm Lana from Three Birds Renovations, and this is the first house that we're going to be renovating where we actually re-clad the whole house. So what we're using here is the Scyon Linea product, which is designed to look like timber weatherboards, but has all the durability of fibre cement sheeting. So far we've professionally and expertly removed the asbestos, and now we are putting up the Scyon cladding, and we've used the Linea here in a horizontal fashion, and it creates this lovely shadow line just like timber weatherboards. So the benefits of using fibre cement wall cladding like these Scyon sheets is the durability. So versus timber, they're moisture resistant, rot proof, they won't split or warp, and they're termite proof and also fire resistant. So all great benefits to have, but with the beauty and the look of timber. And for us, we had a timber frame, and really we could choose any Scyon wall we wanted to finish off the house. So we went onto their website, looked at all the options available to us, of which there were loads, and ended up choosing the Stria product in the extension and the Linea weatherboard for the traditional cottage. Great thing about using Scyon cladding is that you can treat your timber frame like a canvas for your wall style. There are 12 different types of cladding to choose from, and even they can be oriented differently to further expand the options.